I'm a big believer in the power of getting the fundamentals of your maintenance right. And one concept which is quite often misunderstood in maintenance is the idea of the failure mode. But what is the failure mode? Quite simply, it's the ways or the modes in which an item can fail. For example, here's two pipes. They both transfer water. However, this one leaks because it's corroded. So the failure mode is corroded water pipe. This one fails because it's split or fractured. So the failure mode in this case is fractured water pipe. Other examples, worn bearings, loose motor footings, defect, object. So the ways or the modes in which an item can fail is the failure mode. I'm Matthew Laskaj, and for other tips and advice on how you can improve your maintenance, get in touch or follow these videos, and good luck on your own journey.